Attaching lens filters has never been easier. The Benro VF1 filter system is a super speedy clamp and magnet system for hooking up your lens with CPOL and ND filters. Inside the case, you've got a filter holder, a polarizer / mist combo filter, a 2 to 5 stop variable ND filter, and a 6 to 9 stop variable ND filter. The polarizer filters help reduce glare, haze, and reflections. One is a combination polarizer and mist filter that also gives a distinct blooming look to your highlights. Combined with the variable ND filters, there's a ton of combinations to be had in there. First step to setting up is attaching the filter holder to your lens. The holder fits lenses from 67 to 82 millimeters. Line up the arrows and snap on one of the base filters. Then add one of the 2 magnetic variable ND filters and you're ready to go.